Hey guys, just a quick win for the Wen. Had this birch tree come down pretty close to the house in the last storm, and it's rotted here and there, but it's not junk. So I decided to cut it up, split it up, and use it for firewood. So I thought, it's right here. It's not a huge tree, so I'll use the wife's Wen battery operated chainsaw. And it's not a huge tree, as I said, but it's probably this is the base nearest the ground. It's probably 8 inches, and obviously it gets smaller as it goes up. So we chunked all this up, and let's see, we still have 2 lights lit on the battery, so we used about half the battery to do this. I'm still impressed. I used to have cordless drills that lasted about 8 minutes, and then you were putting a battery in it. But just thought I'd share this. Thought it was pretty cool. And December 4th in Northeast PA. It's just about 50 degrees. And I thought maybe today'd be a good day to poke around the hive, see if everybody was still in there. We had really cold night before last, I think it was 19 degrees, so I was a little concerned. But earlier today, when the sun was really beating down on this, there were quite a few bees buzzing around, so I'm pretty happy with that. I will be putting the entrance reducer on shortly, and I'm not 100% sure if I'm going to wrap it or not yet this year. Depends what my gut tells me. So we'll see how that goes. Hey guys, up at the New York house now, and spent last night, which was the 3rd night in total that we've stayed here since we bought the property. And the master bedroom, of course, has, well, the entire house is heated with oil hot water baseboard, which is exceptionally quiet, except for the unit in the master bedroom. So this little spot here fits Cato's night cage perfectly, and it's by the heat, so I thought he'd love that, and he does. But when this heat kicks back on, I'll show you what I'm talking about with how cool this is. And here it goes. Now imagine this at 2 a.m. in the morning. When everything out here is dead quiet. It's the only register in the house that does that. It was kind of chilly last night here. As a matter of fact, it snowed a little bit. And the heat came on probably every 45 minutes to an hour. And that is more than enough to wake me up every time it comes on. Especially when it's super dark, because you know how things seem louder in the dark. But anyway, something we're going to have to figure out. Kind of musical. Ha!